Welcome back to TalkEasy English. Today, we are going to practice slow English listening and speaking. Our topic is social media, something we all use every day. So relax, breathe, and repeat after me when you can. Social media is a big part of modern life. We use it to stay connected, to learn new things, and to share our experiences. But sometimes social media can also feel stressful or overwhelming. Today, we will talk about how social media affects our daily life, both in good ways and bad ways. What is social media? Social media is any website or app where people can share information. For example, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Snapchat, and Twitter. Millions of people use these apps every single day. Some people use social media for fun. Some use it for work, and others use it to learn new skills. Positive effects of social media. Let's talk about the good things first. 1. Staying connected. Social media helps us stay in touch with friends and family. Even if they live far away, we can still talk to them easily. 2. Learning new things. We can watch videos, read articles, or follow educational pages. We can learn languages, cooking, fitness, business, and much more. 3. Entertainment. When we feel bored, social media gives us something to watch or read. Funny videos, photos, stories, everything is just one click away. 4. Opportunities. Many people use social media to find jobs, promote their business, or become content creators. These are all helpful ways social media can make our life better. Negative effects of social media. But social media also has some negative sides. 1. Wasting time. Sometimes we scroll for hours without realizing it. This can make us less productive and distract us from important work. 2. Comparison. On social media, many people only show the perfect parts of their life. When we compare ourselves to them, we may feel unhappy or insecure. 3. Fake news. Some information online is not true. It is important to check facts before believing or sharing anything. 4. Mental health. Using social media too much can make us feel stressed, lonely, or anxious. So we must use it carefully. How to use social media in a healthy way. Here are some simple tips. Limit your screen time. Follow pages that inspire you. Unfollow content that makes you feel bad. Don't believe everything you read. Spend more time with real people. Take breaks from the internet when needed. Healthy use can make social media a positive part of your life. Speaking practice. Repeat after me. I will say a sentence. You can repeat it slowly. Social media is a big part of modern life. I use social media to stay connected with others. Sometimes social media is helpful, and sometimes it is stressful. I try to use social media in a healthy way. I take breaks when I feel overwhelmed. Great job practicing. Conclusion. Social media is powerful. It can help us learn, connect, and grow. But it is important to use it wisely and with balance. Thank you for joining today's lesson. If you enjoyed this slow English practice, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is Talk Easy English, and I will see you in the next lesson.